Hi, this is Arjen. Uh, First of all, we would look into how to transfer Picoin to Gcash. First of all, you go to any exchanges, Binance, OKX, or, or BitGet. But for now, I will use this HTX because they have Pi IOU trading. First, you should go here at asset section and find this option deposit option. Then search for Pi network. But for now, it is still suspended. But we will use the other token for sample. You just have to click here. It should be Pi network. Then copy this address and go to your Pi wallet. Of course, you should know by now how to send Pi to other wallet address in your Pi wallet. After you send it to this deposit address in the exchange, you should wait for it in your here at your assets. You should at spot section, it will arrive here. When it arrive, you can see here your Picoin. After you receive the Picoin, you should convert it to USDT. You should go here at trade option and you can search here the Pi. You can search here the Pi. Then select it. Then go to here at sell and choose market order, not limit order, market order, to sell it immediately, and put the amount of Pi here, or you can drag this one here of how many percentage would you like to sell. After you sell your Pi, you should receive the amount in USDT. After you receive it, you go back here at the home page of the exchange and try to find the P2P option. Here you can find it here in the HTX, the P2P option. You can see here it's P2P. They have deposit here via bank transfer, OTC, or convert, but you should pick P2P. First of all, you should first click here which currency you like, which country are you in. For now, we will use Philippines because it's Gcash. After that, you could filter the settings here. Amount, how much PHP, 1000, and here the payment you can select here the GCash option only. Here is the GCash. They have also Paymaya, BPI, and coins.ph. You can check all here, all the option. You can choose GCash. You have to confirm. Then you can go here at sell. Go at sell, no, not buy. Okay? Just sell it to any of the merchants here, and put the amount here, how much you like, how much your available USDT. Example 1,000, that is 17 USDT. Then sell it directly. Then you have to wait for the buyer to send it to you in your GCash account. If you receive it, you have to confirm here at the chat section of the P2P. You can confirm because you have to release the USDT token. Okay? If you don't release it, they will file a complaint in the platform. So make sure to approve or release the USDT. Okay? Okay guys, that's it for now. You just have to wait for the open mainnet to do this procedure. Thank you.